We are Group 4 of the Dynamics and Machinery project, and we are designing a pump caddy for a child with shortcut syndrome. So for our pump caddy, we went through a few different design ideas, looking at what types of wheels we would use and what shape of base before ultimately deciding on using caster wheels for their simplicity and a rectangular base also for simplicity and stability. We did a few different engineering analyses on it, including creating a motion gen model of the collapsibility mechanism for ease of transport, looking at a tipping force, that way we would know if it was stable, as well as a stress analysis, just to make sure that the stresses experienced did not exceed the materials. Our manufacturing process for our pump caddy involved taking an existing football caddy that you would often see at, say, a tailgating event, and shorting it to size in order to be more easily used around a house. This involved using tools like the bandsaw in order to cut things to length, the drill press in order to make holes as we needed, a sandblaster to smooth out materials and take paint off, as well as a welder to make everything fit together nicely. You can see here where one of our group members, Lacey, gives about a halfway update during the manufacturing process.
Yeah, go ahead.
So far, we have machined the side supports down to half the size they were. We did some lovely calculations to get a scale factor, and we used that to determine the size of the bars where we cut on the bandsaw, and we cut them all down to size and then used a drill press to machine the holes after measuring out their correct scaling with our calculations. We then assembled it, and we have a few more things to correct, but once that is done, it will collapse as it should, because right now it does not. So, yeah.
At the very end, one of our group members then took a lot of fabric and made an entirely new cover for it that could be easily removed for washing. For the testing phase, we would test things like wheels just as things came about. And then for the cart itself, we would drag it up and down the hallway outside the shop to test overall stability, as can be seen here. And then later on, we strapped the backpack straps around ourselves and did the exact same kind of test. Once again, just look at overall stability. Overall, this project was just a really great way for us to gather together as a team, see what it's like to work together as an engineering team, and really apply our knowledge in a way that not just is this physical concept that we can see before us, but that actually helps someone, and gave us more of an idea of what engineering can truly be all about.